Alright, Reese, this is for you. This is a 3 1/4, 3.5 inch exhaust, custom pipe, everything custom done.
Yeah, I need a new exhaust now. What the fuck?
If you ask me, it sounds pretty sweet.